Well, my father's first language was Yiddish, and my mother didn't grow up speaking Yiddish per se, but just Yiddish phrases were, scattered in her language. Like I remember her saying, and I have to say, with whatever I say in Yiddish, please excuse me because I was a child, and a child's ear hears things very, mangles things. But I remember her saying, "Oi gevalte schmalte, zukum is mir." She would say that all the time. So it was sort of like the expressions, your tuchus, just and I thought that was just how people spoke. Yiddish phrases were just sprinkled in, and I think there's just a kind of energy and vitality that the Yiddish had that was different than English. And it wasn't until later that I realized that in some subtle way, even though I can't speak Yiddish, like just my ear, just the sound of it, just the kind of the hearkening to another life that we had some connection with, even though it was fading because it was from the past.